Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Stitching with Sue here. Here to share something a little bit different than I've been sharing. So if you're brand new here, be sure to stay till the end. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. When you hit that button, next to that there is a bell. If you click on the bell and click all, then you will receive notifications when I upload excuse me, a new video. So I had this that I had purchased a little while ago. This I got from Amazon, and it is Welcome Baby Girl. It is a kit that contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers and an element sticker sheet. It's made by Echo Park Paper Company, and it is made in America. Yay! So many of you may already know, and if you do not know, I am expecting a new granddaughter this month. Today is December 1st, 2022, depending on when you're watching this. And she is due to come into the world on December 16th, 2022. So, Michelle, if you're watching, click off. Do not look at the rest of this video, FYI, unless you do not want to be surprised, because it's something I've been working on. Many of you may have been wondering, where is Stitching with Sue? Why isn't she doing any videos? Well, I'm going through some things right now medically, and some days I'm just not up to par to do things, and other days I am. So it's kind of hit and miss this week. It hasn't been a good week for me, but I did work on this, and I felt much better knowing that I have it complete, and I will be able to give it to my daughter, the new mom, very, very soon. So all the components that were left over from this kit, including the 12 by 12 papers and things I did not use, I'm going to give to her along with some of the cardstock and some of the sticker sheets, so that she can, you know, if she wants to add pages to the book, she certainly can. So if you're wondering, well, what did you create? I created a 1-year scrapbook for her. Now, my daughter does do scrapbooking, but this is just a month-to-month where she can just insert a photo of Delilah every month and maybe write a few notes here or there, and then she can go ahead and do her own scrapbooking. But this is just a simple month-to-month excuse me, a picture every month to put in the book. So do you want to see what I did? Well, of course you did, because you're all here waiting, right? All right. So again, I have been going through, since I've been sick, I've been going through some of my retired, let me just make sure I am in the frame here. I'll move over here so that I know when I open the book, because I can't see the camera because it's kind of up here pointing down. I've been going through some of my retired Stampin' Up! Products, and I came across this album. Now, the album was this color underneath, so it was like an autumn album, and this has been retired for quite some time from Stampin' Up! It's an 8x8 photo album book, and it has the clear pages, and you just slip the pages inside. And I thought, maybe I can repurpose this. So I did. I covered the spine with some cardstock, did a little bit of layering of cardstock on the front. I used a lot of the stickers that were included, some stash that I had of different ribbons and things to kind of decorate that. And I think the pink with the brown, because they say brown is the new black. I heard that for a few years now, but I think the cover came out really, really cute. I hope she likes it. So let's go ahead and take a look at each page together. Now, it is kind of stiff, so let me just make sure I'm still in the frame. Yes, I am. And you know what? I'm noticing a little bit of a glare, so let me just move that light. Okay, so page 1. And again, I used a lot of the 12 by 12 paper that I had in my stash that's just been kind of sitting there waiting to be used, because I don't really do a lot of scrapbooking anymore, and Stampin' Up! Doesn't really sell a whole lot of scrapbooking materials anymore, so I did have to venture out because of that. But anyhow, these were cut aparts, and says it's a girl, a little sticker here, a little cutout there, it says hello baby girl, and she could put a picture here and here, or she can do some journaling, either or. But I did try to leave a space on each page in order for her to insert a picture, and it opens from the top, so she can just slide this in and out as she likes. And this says welcome baby with the name, date, time, weight, and length, and I thought that's super cute. And then I started off with let me make sure again I am in frame. Yes, I am. Okay. I started off with this one right here. Congrats on your new beautiful bundle of joy. And it says you and me. It's a girl. And then baby milestones, that she can record that. And right here is 1 week old. And again, all the components except for the cardstock, which is Stampin' Up, were included in that Echo Park kit. So you really can make a really nice little scrapbook for a gift for someone. And just sit and start creating, and before you know it, the book will be done, and it comes out amazing. So just little components, the stickers here to say baby. I'm really thrilled with the colors, and I tried to incorporate a little bit of brown in with it. So it's kind of the pinks, the greens, the browns. I could have incorporated a little bit of yellow as well, maybe a So Saffron, but I stuck to the basic pinks, green, and darker pink. And sorry, that's my dog. It's probably the mailman coming. She just does not like anyone coming on her sidewalk. So here we are at 1 month, and it says bundle of joy, a little bit of layering. I'll love you forever. Cute, you are cute as a button, baby girl. And here we are at 2 months. So do you see, your scrapbook does not have to be very involved. And believe me, I was a scrapbooker years and years ago when, you know, my children were little, but I haven't done it in years. And I just had so much fun with this one. And here we are at 3 months, a little banner up here with the stickers. Sweet bundle of joy. I used some little scraps left over to do a little bit of layering behind. Something tells me that I'm going to love her forever. Here we are at 4 months. You are my sunshine. And again, lots of room for pictures, journaling, whatever it is she wants to put in here, she can. Here is 5 months, a little heaven sent. Now these are 2 separate pieces, and I just made it almost look like that Polaroid look. And you are magic, a little bit of layering, and I did lots of layering. So otherwise it would have just been this little I think it was 3 by 3 or 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. I think it's 3 by 3 square, and I just did a little bit of layering. Dream big, little one, and sweet baby. Now this one here, this was the back side of one of these squares that I kind of didn't really think I was going to use. So that all incorporates very well with the whole thing. So here we are at 7 months, using some of the paper that came in the kit. Really cute little borders over here, a little bit of layering. 7 months, and here we are at 8 months. And I tried to make the 2 pages coordinate together, so it kind of, the book all flows, you know, and kind of did the opposite. So I put the border over here on this one, and this one I put the border over there, and adding a few little stickers. And next page we have 9 months. This was one of the stickers from the sheets. I was able to use that on that side, and then there was another, it was just different words, so I kind of mirrored that over on that side. And some of the cards in the kit as well. Sweet girl, you are more than we ever expected and better than we ever imagined. And this is for 10 months. And again, she'll have this big piece here to put a photo or whatever it is she'd like to journal. Here we are at 11 months, and I absolutely love these flowers. And I had to incorporate that paper along with the stickers that coordinated. And this says, hello, baby girl. This is 12 months, and it says, play, dream, read, grow. And I love the flowers, so I wanted to go with a little bit of a darker background on the scrapbook paper. And here we are at 1 year old. Now I kept this one real simple because I figured she's probably going to have a nice big photo she's going to put there of Delilah with, you know, maybe a birthday cake or something like that. And I just love these little animals, and I had to incorporate them somewhere without making it too busy on the page. So I felt it was best to use this scrapbook paper that came in the kit with just the one. And on this page, I had this, and I wanted to incorporate it somewhere, so I put it at the end, and it's one of my favorite moments with you. So she can write down, you know, throughout the year. She can put different ones, you know, throughout the year, or one. And I love this little guy here. I thought he was super cute. And the little swans, I guess they're swans. It could be ducks. And then in the last page, I just put a piece of scrapbook, not scrapbook, yeah, I guess it could be scrapbook paper. And all the little components that I didn't use, I tucked in there so she can go ahead and add. And again, this is what the whole binder looked like, this. But just by adding a little bit of paper to it, kind of decorating it up, and putting some ribbons on here. You know, you could put a couple little charms if you have them. I did not, but if I find any in my stash somewhere, I can always add it. And again, this was a kit that I used from Echo Park, and I got it through Amazon, and it's called Welcome Baby Girl, and I believe they have one for baby boy as well. And this will show you all the different designer series papers, well, I'm going to call them that, all the different scrapbook papers that are included. So there's still a lot more in this kit that she can use to, whether she wants to make cards or whatever she wants to do with it. But she will have it if she wants to add pages. And I do believe I have pages somewhere in my stash as well. But anyhow, I believe this made a really beautiful book. And you know, this is something that's handmade, something that you can't buy in a store, and something that will be a treasure that, you know, Delilah will have too as she gets older, that, you know, she can go through the book and see all the photos of herself. And also, I'm probably going to sign inside somewhere, you know, with the date that I made it and just a little note to her to say that it was made by Grandma. So then she will have this hopefully to treasure for years to come. So I hope you enjoyed this little kind of a little bit different video than what I normally do, but it was something that I had to get done. And you know, time is coming quickly. It's just hard to believe that on the 16th, in just 16 days, she will be here. And I hope to be able to present this to my daughter, probably not till after she gets home with the baby, but she'll be kind of busy the first couple days coming home and getting adjusted. And I'll be able to give it to her when we make a trip down for Christmas Eve to visit. So anyhow, I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please let me know. If you would like to see more with scrapbooking, I mean, I certainly can do that. My channel is pretty much machine embroidery, stamping, opening of boxes, membership subscriptions, and pretty much anything I come along the road that's craft related that I want to share with all of you. So let me know in the comments if you like this. Maybe you'd want to see more. I do have 2 grandsons that I can start scrapbooking, and maybe I'll get the scrapbooking bug back because it's been a while. So I want to thank you so much for being here. Again, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new. Be sure to like, comment, and if you know of anyone else that would love to see my channel, please be sure to sprinkle the love and invite them, and copy the link and share with them. So I want to thank you all so much for being here. I truly do appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, happy scrapping and stitching. Bye for now.